Hello all, I'm Rashekar. As you know, we are doing a repeated task in Microsoft Excel on daily basis in work life. So, but the machine should do the repeated task very efficiently without taking much time. So today I'm going to show you how we can use the macro options in Microsoft Excel. So it will just do your all the repeated tasks very efficiently without doing mistakes. As a human, if you want to do it, so it takes a everyday time, and also you may end up in errors or missing of data. So this is one of the report I received from one of our colleague. So I wanted to filter or apply some formulas and remove and cut and paste, or apply some colors and send it to my next hierarchy. So what I'm doing is I'll go first to start with the macro options. It's a options. If I go it here in the customize ribbon, find the developer options. So which is the developer options, you will find it. These are all field sorted out in the alphabetic order. So if you go here, developer options will be there. Just click it here. Added this, I already added. So you can see it here. Developer option is there. You can come here, or else one more option is there. This is the main toolbar. Is that developer options I added. So if you wanted to add in the quick action toolbar, that also you can do it. But again, you can go it here. Earlier you gone for customized ribbon in adding the developer options. Your quick action toolbar, this is the smallest options. Quick action toolbar is there. If you go here, all commands, so if you sort out in the alphabetic order, here the M option is there. You can go it here. Yeah, here, see it here, macro options is there. If you click it, it will come this side, but I already added a view macros. All options are there here only. I will not be adding. Suppose if you want to do here, this side, like suppose, yeah. So I'll add it here. If I already added here, so I'll be not adding one more thing here. I wanted to remove it. You can remove. You can add and remove from so many tools are there for your quicker tool. So now I added it, and I'll just say okay. So what happens? We added this option here and also developer action. Either of the one you can add it. So not necessarily that you need to add both of them. So after adding the developer option, so I something was recording earlier. So I stopped it. So you can see it here. Recorder macro is there. One option is macro is there. This was the report I'm receiving for my colleague on daily basis, which I will be customizing and adding a formulas, color, cut and paste, and optimizing it to send it for the next level management members. So which I'm doing it, but those all activities which I'm hiding, adding a formula and applying the colors and all things, I'm telling the computer to memorize it and repeat the same for the next day report. Suppose this is the report I'm getting 15/6/21, June 15th I'm getting this report, 16th I will get the same format report, and 17th I will be getting 18th. I'll be doing, while sending it to my next hierarchy, I need to apply so many, customization formulas and other things, which I don't want to do it on daily basis, but I'm telling the computer to do it on my behalf without many mistakes. So it will do it. Anyway, the machines are invented for those repeated activity only. So what I'm doing is, so I'll go for a recorder macro. So macro one is there. You can name it here like this. So what I'll do now, test one. So do not give any spaces here. So test one something name I'm giving. So then I'll say okay. Then it start a recording. You can see it here. So it is not recording. I'll give a name, recorder macro. I'm telling it. So I'll stop recording. It comes. It's already started recording. So what I'll do now, this two, I'll hide it. So it is memorizing now. So, and also these things I do not want, which I do not want, this columns I don't want to send it to my management, and it's the final report I'm making. This two I do not want, I'm hiding it. And also I'll be writing here, or I'll write it in the capital letter. Yeah, so like this. So I also do not want anything to be capital, so I'm just sending it for this one. And see, I wanted to cut and paste here. So these things, yeah. So sales also I wanted to cut and paste here. So in the only one row, simple things, but I do not want to. I want to be in the same line. So what happens? I'll just hide it because I do not want this. So I'll go here. I'll wrap a text. So what will happen? I wanted to arrange it in the better way. So now I arranged in the way which I wanted. So I'll just go it here, apply colors. So this report is ready. I would like to send the same report to my management, but also I'm telling the Excel to memorize it and to record it. So I already did everything. I'll go and stop recording. So already macro is created. So what you do now after doing this activity, you go to file, save as. So in the save as options here, two options are there: Excel workbook and macro enabled workbook. Always save the macro enabled workbook, means whichever you already created macro workbook. So I'll what we given the name, same name. I'll use it macro 1 1 like this. So that what will happen? Already saved it, and this I'll closing it. In the so what will happen? So I'll just close this Excel. So I'll take one of the old report about on the 10th, okay, something like this. On the 10th of June, I received a report of this kind, now which I wanted to appear like which I recorded just a while. I mean to say, I'll go it here. So macro 1 1 is there. I'll also open it here. So enable content, it will come. If you enable, the macro will be enabled. So you open the 10th report here. 10th report is already open, but you want it in the way which I already recorded the macro. So I'll go it here. Okay, go for the macro. Here macro 1 1 is reported now. These are other okay, macro. No, just run it. Sorry, test 1 1 is a final one. Okay, these are the old one. So I'll just running. So what will happen now? This is doing exactly the way which I already instructed to do it. Means I did it and it was recorded the all the activities which I clicked everywhere like this, but it is doing so fast that you cannot able to see what it is doing. So what will happen now on the report? This 10th also is customized the way which I wanted. This is the very simplistic way you can able to know tell the your computer to do it by using the micro option. So we'll see a lot of things in the later sessions. Okay, thank you for watching.